time for some triple play baseball. These are our last 2 boxes. We did 2 last weekend. We got 2 more coming at you tonight, and that's all we've got. So we'll wait for the next series to come out. You got a chance to pull a Mickey Mantle autographed baseball out of here. You've got other hits like Mike Trout autographed jersey. You got an Acuna autographed jersey. There are some really big names in here. So this is box number 23 out of 100. Every spot in this break gives you 3 random teams. So each box of triple play contains 1 autographed baseball, 1 autographed jersey, and 1 autographed picture. So Rick J, you've got 3 spots in this. Rick M with 4. And then Todd, you close this out with the last 3 spots. So let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. Or excuse me, the teams. All right, so every spot's going to give you 3 random teams. Let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times as well. You guys low on the chit chat tonight. What's going on? Everybody awake? All right, here we go. So Rick J, you've got the Tigers, the Indians, the White Sox, the Rockies, the Diamondbacks, Royals, Pirates, Twins, and Orioles. Rick M's got the Mets, Cubs, Angels, Reds, Blue Jays, Red Sox, Yankees, Giants, Padres, Marlins, Mariners, and the Dodgers. And then Todd, you've got the Brewers. Brewers, Astros, Rangers, Rays, Phillies, Braves, Nationals, A's, and the Cardinals. So, Rick, let's see if we can pull that Mickey Mantle baseball. We pulled a Paul Goldschmidt autographed jersey last weekend. Pulled a Juan Marichal autographed black leather baseball. So, 23 out of 100. Shrink wrap, and then there is this. Here's the tape right here. All right, first up, the jersey. And we're going to go with an Andre Dawson, JSA authenticated. And that could either be Cubs or Expos. It says custom jersey. Let's see what it is. Looks like it's going to be Expos, but let's double check. No, it's going to be Cubs. So, Rick, that's you, man. So I'll get that folded back up here in a second. All right. Now they included an extra hit in this, it looks like. So you've got a... Is that Livan Hernandez? No, not Livan Hernandez. Yeah. Livan Hernandez for the Marlins. Probably right after they won the World Series. So Miami is Rick. And actually, just make it 2. I know that. Who is that? Oh, Juan Pierre. So another Miami Marlins. So 2 Miami Marlins 8x10s. One is Rick Altman's Hollywood Collectibles and David Adams authenticated. Livan Hernandez is JSA. So then the Fanatics maybe goes to the baseball. Alright, so there's the Fanatics C of A. It's definitely that way. I don't know who that is. Alright, it's going to be a Matt Carpenter, which based on length of service is how we always do it. It's probably going to be going to the Cardinals, which actually that's who he's with anyway. I don't know why I was thinking he got traded. Yeah, whole career with St. Louis. So the Cardinals there. So you got the Marlins, the Cubs, and the Cardinals. So Todd M's got the Cardinals. So the Matt Carpenter baseball coming to you. And then Rick grabbing the jersey and the two 8x10s. All right, so not too bad. Andre Dawson's a Hall of Famer, so that's not bad. We'll get all these items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And we got triple play break number 4 coming up next.